the Jaguars. They're 0-2. They've got all the Jalen Ramsey drama going on around this team, but they've got this rookie quarterback who is already a superstar in this league somehow, at least in this town of Jacksonville. They love him, Gardner Minshew. Can't wait to watch him play.
It's the chart. It's the chart. It's the chart.
Here's one for the end zone. Chark. He's got it. Touchdown. What a throw. And the legend has grown a little bit more.
If you're a Jags fan, you better get your popcorn ready because this guy's something. Jawan Smoot is the first one there, and that is 9 sacks for this Jacksonville defense. What a night as they get back to their Saxonville ways.
You know what time it is! You know what time it is! We already told you!
And that will do it. This one belongs to Duval. Jacksonville wins it.
Hey, let me get an ooh-wee on 3. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Ooh-wee!
The backdrop is the Rocky Mountains, and the Jaguars, sky high after last week's win, are now a mile high as they try to make it 2 in a row.
We gotta go out there and take our respect, man. Hey, let's not talk about it. Let's be about it.
Win on me, win on 3, 1, 2, 3. Win.
This first drive for the offense is critical to how the rest of this game goes, in my opinion.
Let's go, get a touchdown, baby.
Minshew hanging in there. Stays on his feet again, dancing around. Dodging tacklers now. Throws end zone. Caught. Touchdown. Minshew magic.
He dodged about 5 guys in the pocket to make that completion to Armstead. Are you kidding me?
Go! Hey, we got a lot of time now. All right, we got plenty of time. Let's go.
They left Gardner Minshew some time here.
Minute 32, you only need a field goal.
Minshew looking for Westbrook. He's got him, and he stays in bounds. Spinning his way to the 30 and still going. And finally out of bounds at the 26.
That run after the catch was impressive. Gets them closer and closer to their target range for a field goal.
Lambeau's 9 of 9 on the year. He's 3 of 3 today. Cook gets it down. Lambeau kicks it up. And the field goal is good. The field goal is good, and Jacksonville has beaten the Denver Broncos 26-24 at Mile High Stadium. This one belongs to Duval. It's a spectacular day in Ohio at a place they call the Jungle. Will this battle of cats get the Jags back to their winning ways?
We gonna win this, bro. Yeah, we gonna win this today. Hey, 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Minshew drops the throw. He wants Keelan Cole in the right corner of the end zone. Touchdown! Keelan Cole with the score, and Jacksonville has taken the lead.
Great job, man. Great job. I told you it was coming, right? I got you. I told you it was coming.
Dalton in a shotgun. He drops the throw against a 4-man rush. It's going to be a screen, and it is picked off by Yannick Ngakoue to the 10, to the 5. Touchdown. Pick 6. Yannick Ngakoue extends the lead for Jacksonville.
Can you hear the hammer pounding on the nails? That's the nail in the coffin for the Cincinnati Bengals.
Hey, y'all scored a touchdown today. Y'all scored a touchdown today. We got everything, baby.
It's the final game at TIAA Bank Field for more than a month, and it comes while welcoming visitors from the Big Apple.
Hey, y'all know what it is, y'all know who it is. It's up there and it's stuck there. Ain't no coming down.
Just past the 9-minute mark, 4th quarter. Darnold's going to take a shot up to seam, and it is picked. Boye with the interception.
A.J. Boye now the #1 corner with a huge play in this ball game.
Thank you for letting me have it. Hey, get that ball to your baby girl.
Yeah.
3rd and goal from the 8. Minshew looks, scrambles to his right, fires toward the end zone. Caught by DJ Chark. Touchdown!
That was a fumble right there, man.
Dropping his Darnold blitz, an all-out blitz. Fires to the right side. Diving attempt by Trey Herndon. Did he pick it off? Yes, he did. Trey Herndon's 2nd interception of the game. And the Jags have another takeaway from the New York Jets.
Come on, hey, bro. Come on, hey, bro.
Okay, Trey.
Good dub, man. Let's keep going, man. Jaguars on 3. 1, 2, 3. Jaguars!
For the final time, an NFL game will be played at Oakland Alameda County Coliseum.
Last one here for them. Let's make it a loss for them, you know?
Shotgun, 2nd and a yard, dropping his Minshew. Fires toward the end zone. That ball is going to be caught for the touchdown. Minshew to Chris Conley for the score.
Let's go. Let's go over the bang. Let's go over the bang.
A 45-yard field goal attempt from Daniel Carlson. The kick is up, and the field goal attempt is no good. He missed it again. And now the Jaguars have a great opportunity, trailing only 16-13.
Let's go. Let's go.
3rd and goal. Comes the all-out blitz again. Minshew, and caught for the touchdown, Conley. Work done, Joyner. And Jacksonville has their first lead today.
And Minshew Mania is running wild here in Oakland.
What up? What up? Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, man.
I'm telling you, boy, hey, with the dudes in this locker room, ain't no game over, ain't no season over until we say let's go.
The 2019 season finale is upon us at TIAA Bank Field, and with it comes a chance to go out on a good note, and to do it against a fierce division rival.
And we're black, they get put on their back. Let's go, man.
Play action for Minshew, looking end zone. Armstead catches and strolls in for the touchdown.
Let's go. Eat him up, Jan. Eat him up.
9:42 to play. Brissett drops into his own end zone. Looks, scrambles around, looking downfield, runs it, and is hit from behind. The ball comes out. The Jags pick it up. Calais picks it up. He runs it into the end zone for the touchdown, and then tosses it into the stands. How about that? Touchdown for the big man, Calais Campbell.
Strip set. Strip set. Oh!
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Win, lose, or draw, we family. We stayed together through it all, and I appreciate y'all. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3.